everybody, Amy the Potter here, and I'm going to make myself a tool. I need a tool for the pots I want to make today. So what I have here is a cutting wire that has frayed. I'm going to show it to you. There it is. And then a couple of twist ties, 2, and a pair of scissors. That's all you need to make this amazing tool. So what I'm going to do is pick up that single strand that's fraying and unwrap it. Unwinding it, and I'm going to get it to be longer than I think I need. Okay, so you just unwind it, unwrap it, really gig it around. What I'm going to use this for is to create a textured cutting wire. It's very thin, and it's also really good at cutting rims of pots when they're too sensitive for a pin tool. If, you knew that a pin tool would go in there and destroy it, a single stranded cutting wire often can do the job. It's a great tool to have around, but it's really great for this crimped feature that it creates texture. So now I've got it. I'm going to do it even a little bit longer, because longer than I think. I think it's perfect, so I'll do it a little bit longer. And then I'm going to cut it. Okay, almost done. Now I'm going to take one end and start wrapping this around and fold it over. That's why you have to do it longer than you think, because you have to fold the ends over. And just create like a nice little ball thingy doodle here on the end. I'm so excited to use these tonight. I'm going to make these mugs that I've never made before. I'm really drawn to doing more thrown and altered work, and I just never have, barely at all, except for fun. Now I want to do it seriously. Here's my other one. I think this is a double, is it? Yeah. Ooh, I think the other one might have been a double too, but we don't need a double. So I'll just put it on here, wrap one end, fold the wire over. I'm just making it up as I go. You just go ahead and make a little ball on the end. You'll figure it out. But the way that I did do it was thread the crimped wire through, do a couple of rounds, fold the crimped wire over. But that's like not my technique or anything. It's just the way I happen to be doing it right now because it seems right. Okay, in a little while I'll be making these mugs, and I will film part 2 of this where I will be using my brand new little sexy cutting wire. Do you like that, Nima?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, you made that?
Yeah.